In order to build a production-grade service, any bank would need these three things. Firstly, they're going to have a build stack. This will allow their developers and their product owners to be able to get ideas through into production through a series of environments under control and tested to completion. Secondly, they'll also need a run stack. They need a production-grade, always-on environment to be able to push those changes in and deliver the service that they need to their customers. And finally, they'll also need a set of supporting components such as federated identity management, customer lifecycle, business activity monitoring, in order to be able to control those features once they're in production. Banks have a choice. They can either choose to do this themselves, and many of them are, in which case they'll need to identify the right technologies, bring them together, and build the supporting components before they start building their own customer propositions. Or they can start with FINkit and start building those propositions straight away.
The FINkit platform is built to provide solutions in all three areas. The FINkit Build Stack is a full set of software delivery components that cover the full life cycle, from idea through to software delivery through to deployment into production. And it's fully tailored for bank-grade services. The FINkit Run Stack is a production-grade environment where we can run, monitor and operate those services that we build. And the FINkit components are all the supporting services that any customer-facing service needs. The whole platform is optimised around two goals. Firstly, getting more features out to more customers more quickly, and secondly, building those features in small, reusable components to maximise their use and reuse when building future services. So the tools and processes that support the Build Stack and the Run Stack work in close collaboration with each other, and they enable developers to focus on the features that they're looking to develop, not spend their time focusing on things that aren't that feature.
All of this has to take account of the fact that we're working with banks, and banks have to deal with the issues of data privacy and regulatory compliance all the time. Our processes, the build and the run stacks, work together in order to minimise the impact of those burdens on the design, build, run cycle. During design and build, we have a strong focus on data security, and at runtime that translates into an executable part of how we protect data while it's in flight and while it's at rest. We have the necessary redundant infrastructure operating out of the European Union that provides the ability to work at scale and with the availability necessary to support certain regulatory demands. We also give our clients a choice. We can store their data, or they can store it in their own data centres. In our roadmap, we also have the possibility of moving the entire operational run stack inside their data centres too.
Under the hood, we build on industry-proven capabilities and components, in just the same way that we expect fintechs and banks to build on top of us. The Build Stack is a set of highly regarded and widely used development tools. They include Vagrant developer environment, a mature continuous delivery pipeline, and a continuous quality assurance infrastructure. The Run Stack is built on Cloud Foundry PaaS technology and includes specific technologies for messaging, caching, data persistence, and most importantly, data protection. In just the same way that our customers have a highly automated, highly repeatable, secure pathway to production, so too we are able to build our components in a highly agile way. Along with our own components, capabilities from our partners become available to developers in exactly the same way.
The platform gives banks three key capabilities. Firstly, banks can enhance their existing systems of engagement by using FINkit APIs, components and platform utilities. Secondly, banks can distribute features from their own systems of record by building FINkit APIs and distributing them under control. Finally, using FINkit's processes together with the build and run stack, we can do this in a coherent manner such that it's quick, it's under control, and it maintains the peace of mind of a secure software delivery lifecycle.